This is a quick overview of the metric builder. To access the metric builder, go to any report or dashboard, find the metric you wish to edit, and select Edit. This will open the metric builder. Here you can add data as well as stylize your metric. To add new columns, click the Add button on the right side. You can add new data columns or choose to add custom columns. When you choose dates, you can select your date range and interval. You can also add a comparison range to show the amount of change between two periods. After you select Add, the columns will populate to the right side of your existing columns. If you add custom columns, you can manually add data or formulas. You can also edit existing by selecting the gear icon above the column you wish to edit. Here you can change the column type to custom, date, or budget. If you change the column type to date or budget, you will be able to select a default date range, or select a custom date range, as well as choose to use live dates. If you selected budget as the column type, you will be able to select any budget you have created in Reach, or use budgets that we pull from QuickBooks or Xero. Additionally, if you create budgets in QuickBooks that are set up by class, those will all be pulled over as well. Filtering columns is possible too by using the funnel icon above the columns. Filtering can be used to quickly compare classes to each other as well. To add more rows, select the plus icon under your rows. Here you can choose to add data, custom rows, or statements. When you select data, the data picker will open. Here you can select the accounts you want and save them. These rows will be added and the associated cells in the columns will be updated with the correct information. Adding statements inside of the metric builder will pull the current chart of accounts, so be aware that unlike a locked statement, any merged, deleted, or new accounts won't automatically show up. If you ever wish to rearrange your rows, you can do so by clicking this icon, and simply dragging and dropping to change the hierarchy. Here you can also add subcategories by dragging the row to the right of the row you wish to nest it under. After doing this, you will notice a drop-down is added to the table, allowing you to expand or collapse that subcategory. You can also delete columns or rows by selecting the pencil icon, then select the trash can icon on the rows or columns you wish to delete. When the pencil icon is selected for columns, you will also be given the option to rearrange your columns by dragging them. The eye icon will allow you to show or hide information from your metric. You will see these changes reflect in the preview below your spreadsheet. Underneath your spreadsheet, you can edit other settings specific to the visuals you want your metric to have within your dashboards or reports. You can change your metric type by selecting the options on the left, and on the right, you can change label sizes, colors, and additional settings, or even add goal lines. Finally, the last thing to cover is the top bar above the table. This bar is filled with different options that allow you to format your metric when using the table metric, such as text size, family, color, and other simple formatting options. Once you are done editing a metric, make sure to click the Save button in the upper right. Hopefully, this quick overview of the metric builder was helpful to you. If you have any questions on the builder, chat us at any time.